All right, Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Mitchell, and Mitchell is here 1 year after his second procedure with us. So he had two, and we'll kind of show the differences that you've seen. But he comes in today, looking like he doesn't need a hair at all. He's completely fine. You can see the difference in his appearance. I'm going to put the side by side there, but look at this hairline. I'm going to kind of come up the top here. We put some in the front, in the crown as well. We also did the temples on this side here, so I'll just kind of show those off real quick, and then I'll move around here. But it is unbelievable in terms of the change. He came in all smiles, confident. But Mitchell, tell me about what you think. How's the last year gone? And tell me about the differences between like the first one and the second one, and tell me where how you feel about things right now.
Oh, after the first one, I saw a big progression. Definitely built the self-esteem. But after the second one, it definitely furthered the progression where I felt like everything fell into place. My confidence is a lot higher, and a lot of people that I know are noticing differences and ask me who I'm going to. So,
and your goal from the beginning was always to kind of bring your hair back, and that sometimes will take that second pass. So this is a really honest, he has gel in his hair or some kind of product that's kind of making it even thinner. And he's still able to pull off a solid hairline with his hair back. So really happy for you, man. Mm-hmm. If you could go back in time and tell the Mitchell a year ago, to do it, would you tell him to still, happy you did it?
Oh yeah. It's well worth it.
Awesome, man.
I think self-esteem is everything. And
that's
if you're
right.
stressed about whatever you're looking at, that's no more killer. So yeah.
And we were talking about, certain things I think are worth spending money on, and things that you're seeing every day. Some people try to save some money and go overseas, for example. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it doesn't, but I'm glad you can come here and have a great result. And thank you for showcasing your results. I'm gonna just put your chin down for me one time. I'm gonna just put a little side by side going on here. Awesome. And then if you could turn one way or another, I'm just gonna do these one more time, man. I know we already did these, but temple was done there. That really brought things in. That was awesome. Let's do the other side just to be thorough, man. Beautiful. Awesome. Thanks again, Mitchell, and enjoy your hair in good health.
I appreciate everything, Dr.
You got it, man. Thank you.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.